Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you. And I'm actually filming on Thursday for once, for this 3-minute Thursday. Still might not get posted till tomorrow because I'm out working. It's 8:30 right now, so we'll see if I can get it posted. It's sitting in the waiting line right now. But this week's question comes from Spidermark, or Spidermark. I'm not exactly sure, but his question is, how am I faring in the MKZ versus the MDX, you know, with the gas and the like not having the XL. And then his follow-up question is like, what's a good schedule? I think he listed like going from 3 to 9 a.m. and like 9 to 3 p.m. and things like that. So we'll try to tackle both of those questions in under 3 minutes, and we'll see what we can do here with it. And 2 pretty decent questions this week, and I got a ton of other questions out there too, so just try to tackle one a week, and we'll see where we end up at this point. Keep asking questions. If a question doesn't get answered the first time, ask it again. So 3 minutes, here we go. So originally I said, you know, the reason I got this MKZ is there's kicking off a bunch of shit off the Lux Black platform. Well, that didn't happen, and so Lux Black is not really doing shit for me. And then on top of that, XL, I think, was a bigger part of my business than I anticipated. So I'm losing out a decent amount of money on XL, or not having XL. And I think it's probably got me down somewhere between $3 to $6 per hour is what I'm down on that. But I am doing about half the gas a month now. So I'm only doing, call it like maybe $200 in gas a month, somewhere in that range. So versus the 400. So it's working out better in that area. And then tackles other schedules, his other question on scheduling. So with scheduling, I think you need to just do the schedule that fits you. And yes, there's better times to work than others, and you'll slowly mold that. And I think that depends on your market as well. Like here in Chicago, starting at 10 a.m. and working till 4 p.m. during the week is just, that's a no-go, even if that works best with your schedule. And if that's the only thing that works with your schedule, make it work and go kill some trips and do what you can do and make the little bit of money you can. Here in Chicago, I think, you know, during the week, you need to be tackling mornings or afternoons, one or the other, or both. Like you can do a split shift, do a 4 to 9 a.m. And then finish that up, take a break, and then come back out at like 3 p.m. and work till 7 or 8. That works, you know. Thursdays though, like Thursdays for me, I come out in the morning. This morning I got a late start, but usually it's going to be 4 till about noon, take a few hours break, and then get back out by like 5 or 6, and then run that till can't run anymore. I'm tired. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. It's 8:30. I'll probably last till about 10:30, 11. Last week I did make it to midnight, caught a nice trip at the end of the night. So you got to work the schedule that works for you and works through your lifestyle and something you can stick to. Try to be on a consistent schedule every single week so your sleep schedule gets in sync and you're not out here driving tired and things like that. So try to stick to a consistent schedule and make sure that works for you. And then just kind of, I guess, finish off on the MKZ versus the MDX. I think it's a toss-up at this point. The gas savings is great, but not having the XL sucks. So it's kind of a toss-up. I'm not 100% happy with the purchase, but it's because Lyft didn't do what they said they were going to do, kicking off the MDXs and the QX60s off Lux Black. So I just didn't get the experience that I wanted with it. But until next time, guys, I got that done in just under 3 minutes. Let me know what you guys want to hear, see, whatever it is. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the views. As always, like, subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when I put out new videos and you gotta keep up with things. But until next time, guys.